Hello, welcome back to Tea with Mandy. Thank you for joining me. I am going to be doing a DIY Dollar Tree succulent project today. I'm getting ready to redo my daughter's room, and this is an item that I know will go with her decor, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I purchased all of these items from the Dollar Tree: an assortment of succulents, some floral moss, floral foam, and a container that I'm going to use to put everything inside. Use your hot glue gun to glue down the floral foam into the base of your tray. Glue your floral moss to the inside rim. Now add more floral moss to completely cover the top of your floral foam. Glue down a second layer of floral moss to create more height inside of your tray. Now you can add in your succulents. Go ahead and arrange them how you would like. Make sure to add hot glue before inserting into your floral foam to help secure them better into your tray. And there you go, our succulent tray is all finished. I hope you enjoyed this DIY Dollar Tree project. I look forward to having you follow along on my future videos. Thanks for joining Tea with Mandy.